Well, we made it to the car wash. Van's still on the trailer. That is good. And now we're gonna get to cleaning this thing, deep cleaning. Dad and I'll probably take turns washing, because we're probably gonna get covered in the dookie. What do you think? Start on the outside, then go to the inside, or start on the inside?
Start on the outside. Might get it too.
Yeah.
Get that doghouse out and wash it real good.
Yeah, probably be a good idea. So she's got a lot of moss and a lot of stuff on her. Like on that flare, just look at all that. We'll just get a good look at her as she looks right now. Sorry about the wind. I don't know how bad that wind's gonna be. We do got more rust on that door than I thought. We had to come to the big truck deal, which is good because we can see the roof. Look at that. See the roof. That's pretty neat. So we're gonna get some parts out of the van that we want to clean, and we'll start washing her down. the brown water. I wish I would have been filming in here because it was revolting. And it was splashing up on the sides. Oh, it was gnarly and gross. This thing had been scrap weight of rat turds outweighed the van itself. You can see there's still a little tinge of rat poo to that. I actually just knocked a rat turd off my cuff a little bit ago. So we're getting her cleaned out. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's old, faded, cool, funky paint job. So I don't really know what you'd expect at it, really. But it looks pretty cool. It's got character, that's for sure. You know, you can see where that used to be, kind of like a little star shining in that stripe. But she's cleaning up. Floors are pretty solid. I mean, even right there, you can see like right where the dookie was the hardest, right there. No idea if the engine's worth a dang. We'll figure that out. I'm pretty sure it is. Pretty sure it's toast. But we're gonna let the water soak for a little bit, then we're gonna get one more blast, and that'll be it. Alrighty, so she's all washed inside now, real nice and clean. See what she looks like out in the sunlight.
Oh, look at that. Look at that freaking paint job. My God, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that freaking paint job. My God, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Look at that freaking paint job. My God, look at that. That is so good looking. Alrighty, now we gotta go retrieve a ramp. We apparently lost a ramp on our way home and leave the car wash with this. So as always, guys, we want to thank you. Just check out how clean that is. Look how clean that is. Freaking nice. So as always, guys, thank you for checking this one out. If you're into the car wash and cleaning stuff, sweet. If not, I don't blame you. I don't know if I'd even watch this video other than the dookie. I should have filmed cleaning the dookie. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next epic van video with Dad and I. So as always, take care and bye-bye. And on proxy for Dad, bye-bye.